Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I kind of feel tired, so I'll just be doing unedited Skywars. Okay. Wrong button. So, yeah. If you're actually watching this video, you're a true fan. Lol. I'll probably not even talk. So sad. I haven't played in a wee while, so I'm a bit bad at PvP. Oh, someone just jumped into the void. Most likely one I'll be doing soon. Accidentally. But oh no, my hotkey's wrong. I almost just jumped in the void. First kill of the day. Honestly, I'm surprised I even got one kill today. Second kill. Okay, I'm just getting lucky. Oh, I got another kill. 3 kills instantly. 1, 2, 3. And I died. I'm surprised that I got 3 kills because I haven't played in a couple days and I'm tired today. I just noticed I've been silent for the last minute. I should probably start talking again. So, has your day gone well if you're watching this? Or are you just watching this because you're bored? Or are you not even watching this and just loaded it and walked away? What should I upload tomorrow? Oh yeah, and also, did you like the build battle I posted yesterday? That was really fun to make. I'll do more videos with other people if you want. Oh my, that scared me. Bruh. I'll probably do a bed wars tomorrow. I don't know though. Oh no, now we're gonna place TNT. Why do people do that? Actually, that's kind of funny, not gonna lie. But annoying at the same time. I remember in my first 2 videos I recorded in the wrong size. So at least I'm recording in the right size. I'll be doing a lot more editing soon, which will be cool. Oh yeah, by the way, If you haven't watched this video, no, the last build battle video that I did, you should probably stop watching this video and switch to it, because it's way better. And I'm about to die. I actually did it. I just block trapped him so hard. Oh. They never learn. Oh, no. I doubt I can do that again. Wait. Oh, I thought I hit them off. After this video, I'm probably just, after making this video, I'm probably just gonna watch YouTube for the rest of the day. Because I'm bored. Oh, almost died. No. Oh, come on. I got him to 4 HP. I used to be like 10 times better at PvP, but then I stopped playing for half a year. I don't think anyone's at this island, so I can get free. Oh wait, huh? Oh, they probably just used frog kit, so they. Oh wait, no, they bridged over to this island. Oh wait. I may actually be able to go to that island and kill them. Okay, that was pretty easy. First kill of this game. Oh my. This is why I don't play Skywars anymore. Oh no, I was AFK for a second. My first video was a... Oh, okay, I think that guy may be a hacker. It looks like it anyways. And this guy's gonna kill me. Oh, come on, he's a bow spammer. What? Wait. He's too good at bowing people. Seriously, why do people rush me? And I bet the other person's gonna rush me now, and I have no H. Oh, thank you, person. You did not rush me. The first person on this map who hasn't actually rushed me. That's why being in the middle on this map is always the worst, because 2 people are always gonna rush you, or most likely. Oh no, I just trapped myself. which probably will make me die. Just don't watch this video. There's other stuff you could be watching that are a lot better. Oh wait, I'm pretty sure I should be promoting myself, not telling you not to watch me. Who cares? This channel's just for fun. Wait, I think I turned my sensitivity up. Oh no, I'm gonna die. Yes, I was correct, I did. Oh. Right. That's another person. Did you see how much I just wrecked that person? Thought I was gonna die. Oh no. Another person. Okay, can I wreck this person as well? Easy. Too easy. I feel like that was just some random kid who was playing Skywars for the first time. Oh no, why did I start this fight? And I'm dead. RIP. Okay. The video will end, like, I'll do one more game then I'll end it. What should I upload tomorrow? Well, I may not upload tomorrow, I don't know. I may not even upload the day after. Or I may just quit YouTube. Because, actually I don't know. YouTube is kind of fun making the video, but editing sucks. And that's why I'm not editing every video properly. Because it takes too long, and I kind of just want to do YouTube for fun. And I bet there's like I bet 0% of you have even seen this part of the video. Oh. Time warp propels are kind of useless, not gonna lie. And oh no. And I'm dead. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next vid if you actually watch it.